This works for me really well. Hey guys, so I'm doing a review on this iPhone 6s cover, and this cover is amazing. And yeah, that's all you need to know. If anybody is interested to know anything after that, you can continue watching the video. When I received this iPhone 6 power case, it came in this box, and yeah, and it came with like a small paper which had some like instructions in it. They're kind of helpful, but they're kind of not if you have common sense. I've been struggling with keeping my phone charged. That's why I decided to buy this cover. And I've tried using power banks and stuff, but that doesn't work for me because I don't remember to charge my phone. Nobody texts me, nobody calls me, so I can never charge it. And then my phone's literally dead at 1%, and I'm trying to call an Uber and it just shuts off. And then my mom's angry at me. So I decided to buy this because power banks don't work for me. So this is like a very easy installation. All you have to do, take the phone, take this cover, and just slide your phone in and just put this and just it clicks in. The other good thing about this cover is obviously the first was the installation is pretty easy and it keeps my phone pretty tight and it's not at all loose or anything. Um, the best part about this cover is that you don't even have to remember to charge the power case. I've used the power case before, and in that one, you had to remember to charge your power case separately, or you had to remember to click a button before you put on your phone to charging. But in this one, it automatically charges the cover. So after your phone is charged, it charges the cover automatically, so you don't even have to remember that. Obviously, if you forget to switch on the plug, that's kind of not the cover's problem, I think. And I bought this thing in red color, which really looks really good. The finish is really good. It's like a rubbery matte kind of a finish. It's not like glossy, so you won't like see a lot of scratches on it. So I love the finish. It looks like yeah, it's a good quality cover. So the buttons are pretty accessible. And you just have to like press it once and start charging. Right now it's at like 1% for me, so just one dot is lighting up, but generally there are four. It does charge your phone once to 100%, so that's good. And if you keep pressing it, it just turns off. So the other thing, before I was buying it, I thought I would not like is the text on it. I thought it's like really ugly, but it's actually not bad. It's really nice. I thought that when I get it, I'll just rub it off with alcohol or nail brush remover or something, but I really didn't need to do it because it's pretty good. um it just makes my like phone look fat. If you don't want that, then maybe you won't like it, but I really don't mind it. It just keeps my phone charged and my mom happy. And what else? This has a back stand where you can like put your phone and watch videos if you like doing that. Otherwise, it's really good. The finish is good, and yeah, I think that's all for the review. If you have any questions, you can obviously ask me. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching.